Today we're going to be planning for the week of July 20th to the 26th. Hello, I did it again. So hello. So like I said, we're going to be planning for the week of the 20th to the 26th. What I've kind of based it off of something. Let me grab it really quick. A long time ago, a friend of mine gave me these stickers that she got from the dollar spot at Target. So they're several years old, I want to say, maybe 2 years old. And I've never really used them because they're awfully big, but I thought it'd be really cute to use a couple of them down here as the decorative part. So I think I'm going to be using these two blues. So since I was going with the blue route, I have also grabbed a bunch of blue stickers that I can use too. So, and then these ones here are not actually blue, but maybe they are blue. I thought they were silver. What color do they look like to you guys? I think they're silver. On the camera they look silver. So these ones here came from actually all of them did. All of these ones came from the seasonal pack from me and my big ideas. These ones here, that one there came from a planner sticker sheet that I got. Somebody gave it to me. It has like a piece of Happy Mail when they used to do Happy Mail back in the day. I belonged to Facebook groups and they would people would say, does anybody want these stickers? I have some Happy Mail I want to send out. And you would say, oh, I would take them. And then whoever they just picked random people and they sent them Happy Mail. So that was one of those. I'm not exactly sure what set they came from. Now I'm thinking about it, I'm pretty sure they came from a box kit. These ones here came from some stickers from Walmart. This one and this one both came from the Rainbow Pack. So we're gonna be using some of those too. Then the washies, I went ahead and just grabbed out a bunch of blues and black and whites. And so we're gonna give this a go, see how it turns out. I will be covering up the dates at the top. I was not sure if I wanted to cover up the days. I didn't have any day stickers. But for the numbers, I have these old Carpe Diem stickers I used to use. So we're gonna use those because I just happen to have the numbers 20 through 26. I mean, is that not perfect? It's gonna be interesting. I always say that and then I end up loving it. So let's go ahead and get started. So there we go. I forgot to mention that I really don't have, I have no plans this week. So I just did my to-dos at the top. I left these sections open just in case anything comes up. I did put my little planner and my coffee because that's what we usually do on the weekend time. Yeah, so there we go. I'm loving it. I think it came out really nice. Oh, forgot to do one thing. We'll just use this pin. Hopefully it's close enough. Is that gonna be close enough, you think? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't write on that. Ooh, that's not the right blue. This one might be close. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my line around it I forgot to do. So, and I usually freehand it. I used to use a ruler on it. And then I was just like, you know, I kind of like the like freeness of it all. You just have to be careful and go kind of slow. Sometimes I get a little carried away and I go too fast. So I'm just like, I just want to get it done. And then it'll go off the edge of the paper like it did last week. Sometimes I try to match them up. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of, but to me, it doesn't really matter that much. It's all done. I'm really happy with it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my social medias listed down below, especially Instagram because that's where I post most often. And I do post a lot of planner stuff on there right now, which I'm looking to continue. So check me out on Instagram. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.